everyone, it's Nicole, and I thought I would share this new tool that is now in my scrap room. It's a journaling tool. It's from We Are Memory Keeper. I'll link it in the Amazon link down below. It's a pretty cool tool. I mean, you can use these and you can use this in your planner, or you can use it in your scrapbooking. Now, there's little dots here all along, and it goes 3, 2, 1. So this is to make some circles. So you just need to hold it still, put your pencil in, and you draw a circle. Now, some people say that the opening is not big enough and it, makes it hard to draw a circle, but as long as you make sure that your pencil is sharp, then it works, or a mechanical pencil. And then I have these Muji pens. They're super, super sharp, pointy. And the Muji pen works in there too. So I've had no issues trying to fit in a pen in there. Maybe, the fatter nib would be an issue, but I find that I quite enjoy. Now, you can make circles. What I love is that you can also make charts. So let's say I did that 2-inch circle. Then I can... Let's try this. Oops. No. I was going to say maybe I can just... Nope. Let's try that again. 3-inch circle. This is real time, people. Real time. So the first time I did it, what I did was I kind of put that in the center like this so that everything was the same. And then I kind of took a pencil and did this so that I could connect all those. Or what you can do is, where this is at 3, you could choose a different level that you want as a circle, and then you can just draw it out like that. And then you can take where you put the dots to realign. And then kind of just, I would use a ruler just because. So then you can make your own charts, or so if you are someone that uses a planner, but even in a scrapbook page, wouldn't that be sharp to use these graphs? I'm just going to go right across from each other and see if that's going to work. This is one of my first times. It's not my first time, but it's one of the first time that I'm trying to make a graph here. So, oops. Shouldn't have done that, but I did it with an eraser, or with a pencil, so I can erase. So yeah, I can just that's pretty cool. Oh, see, I didn't put any dots over here, so let's do that. So all I have to do is realign the other ones like that. Oh, I had put one there, I guess. One there, one there. There we go. And then you can, how cool would it be, I don't know, about even a trip, and you could put all the trips that you did and then all around it. That's so cool. You could use this as a journaling. You could put, whatever you want around that. So I like that. I like that you can make circles. You can make charts. I love that. And then it has so much more. It has a ruler and inches and centimeters on each side. Then if you are a planner, you can, there's a little thing here that you can make your box to check off, but you could also use that on a scrapbook layout. You could make smaller circles. That works too. These here, you can, there's horizontal lines here. You can use them for lines for journaling. Lines for journaling. And then these here, you can use to make a banner. So I could go like this, go a little further down, and then connect. And my banner is, you know, perfect because it's the same size. So you could make so that you have two pointy ends, or you can make it so that it has a little tail like this, or two tails in, depending, you know, you could make it longer and put two concave. So it's pretty awesome. Oh, and then this, you can use it, let's say if you make a tag and you're not very good at making the cuts, you can use this and boom, you got your angle to cut for your tag, and then you just use it on the other side and cut your other angle for the other side. Or it's got a rounded corners, so same thing. You can, on a tag, around the corners, and then just use your scissors to cut it. So it has quite a bit of little uses that you can do with this. What else? I think I showed pretty much everything. So my part that I like the most is that I can make circles quickly on a page, and I would like that so that I can directly put it on the background and not necessarily cut it out or make some charts on the background. I like that those little boxes, I can make little checklists or circle for checklists. So that's a pretty cool little tool. I wonder, let's see, if I want to make a bigger circle, I could use, you know how sometimes we make stuff so that it hangs off the page? You could use the outside of it too to put a circle that is bigger than all the other circles that you can make. So that's a pretty cool tool. It gets, you know, 2 thumbs up. I'm going to be using this quite a bit in my scrap process. And like I said, I'll have it in the description box below under Amazon, under scrapbooking tools. And it's something journal, but it's by We Are Memory Keepers. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.